Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's MRCs, and in today's video I'll be taking you through privacy in your device, Android device. There are some things you have to be knowing, and for the fact that you don't know them, they may cost you. There are some folders in your phone which have to be looked into. Do you know that your phone has a tendency of your phone tends to capture images of what you watch, and it keeps them somewhere on your device? Do you know that every time you watch a video, the more times you watch a particular video, your phone picks interest and it captures a scene, a moment in your video, and it stores it somewhere. So people who know where these files are can always come back and come back and gain access. These are some of the folders. Personally, on an individual basis, you have to be able to gain control or access or know something about them. So these folders can always cause issues on your device. These folders may challenge you. Like for example, you may delete some pictures. Let's say you took some pictures of you maybe at a young stage. Let's say you have your privacy, you take your pictures, and after using these pictures for a specific reason, let's say making a video, sharing them out to, or backing them, using them somewhere, or videos, moments of your life where you feel like these moments are yours, you personally don't want to share them with someone else, but your phone captures scene, it gets highlights or moments in your pictures, and it keeps them somewhere, and someone else who may be in position to gain access to your phone knows something about this video can always come back and go through your phone. So I'll be showing you these folders, and you have to learn how to deal with them. So I personally, in most cases, you have to be deleting these folders. Specific phones handle these files differently. I've tried going through my friends' phones, and different phones behave differently. Sometimes you have to look for these folders. For the fact that I wasn't able to find these folders in their phone didn't mean that they are not there. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my phone. I'm using an Infinix. So I move to my file manager. So after moving to my file manager, what I do, I move to all files. So after all files, I move to my internal storage. So this is my internal storage. So in most cases, specific devices tend to portray such a display. And if you try to look on the top right corner, there are 3 dots. So if you tap on these 3 dots and you move to show, so you can say that this is show. I can say show hidden files. So show hidden files. So these files are always hidden. So in different devices, this drop down menu, as I was saying, in Technos, this drop down menu may be phone down. So when you come here to show, after coming to show, it will tell you show hidden files or hide files. In our previous videos, I've been talking about how to hide files, and now we are going to try to look for it. So we are going to show these files. So in some gadgets, when we move to show hidden files, in most cases they are on top of alarm. But since this is an Infinix, so in most cases, if I'm to move to, let's say, what? So they are not in DMC. So I can try to locate them in pictures. So this is pictures. So this is the folder you should always be worried about. This one, the one highlighted, the one ticked, this is the folder you should always be worried about. This folder can cause issues in your life. This one, so it captures scenes and it places them in this folder. That's why it's always hidden. But someone can come and unveil it. So in most cases, just people share it on their devices and they have enough time. Imagine you have been using your phone for almost a year. How many pictures? They're almost like 2,000 plus. So this folder. So in some devices, like for example, this device I'm using, it separates them. So pictures are always put in this. So these are pictures. So as you see, like these are, it captures moments. And always the display is not that good. If you try to look at the quality, it's not that good, but it captures moments and it stores them. It captures moments. So in most cases, you always have to come back and clean this. Just imagine someone accessing your life. So in most cases, you have to delete this. It will always come back. So, but it's called thumbnails. And in most cases, its main use, it helps you to navigate through your phone easily. But in the process of you navigating through your phone files, it always captures or keeps some images. So we can always move to, as I was showing you, I can always move to video, where are my other files? I think they are in movies. So you will see that every video I watch, most of you are more conversant with this. This was a video. You will see that it captured a scene. This one is also this a TikTok video, but it captures a scene. This is visible that your phone is trying to, I don't want to say spying on you, but these are videos. Your phone is capturing scenes and it's keeping these scenes. So you always have to come back and clear out this. These are videos, but your phone captures scenes and it stores them. So this is a famous YouTuber. So this is not his picture. This is an image of him. Okay, yeah, it is his image, but this was a video. So since I was watching him, my phone captured an image of him. So there's no way you can always say that you didn't do something and your phone is reporting you. So otherwise, I may end. So you have to find these folders and you try to clear out your name. Sometimes they may land you in issues. You have your personal life you would not want anyone to know, and your phone is watching and is spying. If it keeps on keeping files in your phone, people who want access over these files will reach out to you and cause serious damage to you. Sometimes they may even use such information to control you, and it's not good. Personally, this video is for only educational purposes. We make these videos to try to bring out some of the hidden things. We make these videos to make you aware of the things happening behind your device, things you cannot see but are happening. And otherwise, I would like to wish you a nice day, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's always good to leave something in the feedback and to always teach me something. Also, you can always pass by and drop a comment. I will be eagerly learning. I will be happy to pass through these comments and see. But you have to look for those folders. In some devices, they are combined. You may find images and video moments captured together. Then in some devices, you have to look for them. I managed to figure out mine, where they are. Then even in Tecno phones, I think it is also easier to find. It's always on the first page above alarms. It's always easier to find that. Then in other devices, you have to look for them. But your phone is watching you, and be careful. Have a nice